Hi. What you got there? You still croaking? She's going like, "Wah, wah." Your behavior hasn't changed. You're in very high spirits, even to the point of causing a lot of trouble. You're a very darling bird. Very darling bird. Look at you. Ah. No. I see Grammy outside. Mm-hmm. Look at you. What a beautiful parrot. What a beautiful parrot. Yeah. Do you like your medicine? You take it with a dropper. I know you love droppers. You're such a silly birdie. How about you, Sonic? Hi. How's that little lover budgie, huh? Hi. You're molting, huh? Yeah, you got a lot of feathers down there. So everyone's feeling a little sick, huh? You're a good budge. You're a good budge.